Hi, welcome back. I'm Chuck, and today we're going to do a review on the Kreg Foreman pocket hole machine. For a few years I used the Kreg K4 pocket hole jig to make pocket holes for joining different projects together, and about 6 months ago I upgraded to the Kreg Foreman, which is a pocket hole machine that operates with a motor underneath, and you sit the board on here. We'll do like a quick demo or description of all the parts and pieces in here in a few minutes. But basically it works a lot faster, and it's an all-in-one machine instead of having to use a drill with the pocket hole jig like the K4 or the K5. What the Kreg Foreman consists of is a table with a fence that has markings that you align to the specific width of material that you're using. And underneath it has the motor with the pocket hole drill bit that will come up through this hole when this lever is actuated and pulled down. Has a safety button on the thumb control as well as a finger trigger to start the machine. And when you're setting this up, you will, let's say for instance we're using 3/4 inch material, set the fence to 3/4, and you'll adjust the drill bit to where it comes right up to but not touching the fence. So it comes with this stop also, and what you'll do is you'll put your board that you're creating a pocket hole in, and you'll tighten it down and then come off a half of a turn so that when you pull the lever down, it will press down on the board and keep it in place when you're creating the pocket hole from underneath. On the fence, you'll see some measurements to know how far apart your pocket holes are going to be. On the back side here, you can have a dust collection hooked up to it, and it can also be mounted. I don't have mine mounted, but it could be mounted with some holes in the corners here. So some benefits of having the Kreg Foreman versus a pocket hole jig. It's so much quicker to drill out a lot of pocket holes in a short amount of time. If you're creating something like cabinets or something that has a lot of pocket hole joinery in it, it is definitely the way to go. The only downside I can see is that if you had to put a pocket hole on a piece of a project that is already together or partially together, then you wouldn't be able to maneuver this around it. Like, you can take apart some of the smaller jigs and clamp them onto furniture or the project. I highly recommend this. It is kind of expensive. When I bought it, it was running around $400. Right now I think it's around $450, but they currently have a $75 mail-in rebate or something going on the Kreg website. I'll leave a link down in the description so you can check out the product if you want to take a look at it or purchase it or read other reviews. Click down there and check it out that way. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I have some other videos for you to check out over here, and don't forget to subscribe over here. Thanks for watching.